Hi guys, and welcome back to LS Techs. Today I'm going to do my full review of the MXQ Pro 4K. This one goes for around £30. I'll leave a link in the description guys, and if you use the code below you can get 20% off, so do make sure you use it while it's available. So yeah guys, this is a very cheap Android box just for £30. It's got pretty decent specs. I will leave the specs here on the side somewhere, they will pop up. But yeah, you get some decent specs, quad core, 1GB of RAM and 8GB of storage, which is pretty decent just to use as Android TV box. So if you're watching this video thinking of buying it for gaming, I'm not gonna recommend it. It's not that powerful. It's only got 1GB of RAM, so you're not gonna be doing pretty much gaming here. I don't use this one for gaming, I just use this for media entertainment. So as you can see, this is the UI I'm using. I'm using the TV launcher, and I'll leave a link in the description where you can download that. But this is a very simple UI, just very clean, easy to use. As you can see, you got your menu button here, your favorites. So you got, I'll put here my media, and then I just got my settings. So that's the only thing I need. So in my favorites, I got my KODI. So I'm sure everyone is familiar with KODI. And this is probably the most reason why people will buy Android TV boxes nowadays, is to run KODI and have some great builds on it. So I am currently using this clean Xenon look, which is a very nice simple build to use. So let's just load it up. So this is the Xenon, this is the clean version. It does have a XXX version as well, and I'll show you. I'll leave a link in the description how to get both of these versions. It's a very nice one. As you can see, you got your movies, your TV shows and everything here, and everything works very nicely, and it's simple and does not take a lot of power, this one, so that's very nice. So you can see you got all your movies down here, your different add-ons, Exodus and everything, which is very nice. So if I click on Exodus, it should probably load. So give it a sec or two to load. So it's loaded, so you can pick where you want to go. So popular movies, genders, years, it's up to you. So I'm just going to click popular movies, well, most popular. Give it a second or two to load. The load speed will depend on your internet speed. So if you got slow internet, it's going to take a bit more time to load. If you're running on something decent, you should be fine. Just give it 1 or 2 more seconds. As you can see, it's loaded up now, and I've got all my movies here now. Bottom, that's very easy to use and navigate through. So if I click on Star Wars, let's just see if this is out on full HD. So it's gonna give me some details about the movie, what it's about, as you can see. So if I click on it again, it should load up, so give that a few seconds to load up. And it's loading, as you can see guys, so that's very good. Let's just, so we can skip a bit forward if you want. You can see we got all the ports down here, which is nice. As you can see, I'm just gonna pause out the movie, click back. Okay, so I've got Chrome next to that, which is my default browser which I want to use. Got my Play Store here. We've got YouTube, so that's my favorite ones. So that's the 4 ones I use mainly. Wait, one is missing. My Amazon Prime is missing. So if you want to know how to get your Amazon Prime video installed on your KODI or Android TV box, I'll leave a link in the description, guys. Do check it out. So if you use Amazon, you really want to have Amazon Prime and you get all the great features. The MXQ Pro, I can't get Amazon Prime to work in 4K, only HD is working. I'm not sure if it's because of the processor or just because of the box, because in other boxes, yes, I can get to work with 4K, but with Amazon Prime, I'm only getting HD, which is a bit sad, but it's okay on this box. Let me just quickly change the icon, so I don't like that one. Let me just quickly apply this. So yeah, so I've got my 5 main ones there. In my media, I've got my gallery, so I got my iPlayer, iTV, my KODI, my Netflix and my YouTube, and I got my video player as well. Just very simple stuff here. So if you're in the UK, you probably use these two. If you're not, you probably have your own ones. I've got my Netflix down here, which works, and that's the same. It's only giving me 1080 in outputs, so I'm not 100% sure why I'm having this problem, even though it states it can do 4K output. I've tried a few different cables, but I'm not getting any sort of 4K out. Even when I'm trying to play video from my SD card or internal storage, the 4K video just like buffer. Like I've got this clip here, so if I hit play on it, it's kind of like flickering. So let's see if it's gonna play. Okay, where did that go? Let me just go back. Download. Hit play. Second. So let's see if it plays this time. I'm not sure if you can see in here. You can see it's doing that, but if I hit pause and give it like a few seconds for it to load up, it's much better. So for a few more seconds, so let's hit play now. As you can see, it's not doing as much as before, so I'm not sure why it's happening. Is it the video format, or I've tried MP4 and MOV and it's doing the same, but if I'm playing something HD, it's playing fine with no problems. So next I got my utilities. So I got my settings, my root folder, my app installer, my KODI update. So let's just look at the settings in here, what we have. So if you got your standard Wi-Fi, which is only 2.4 GHz, it does not take 5 GHz. You got your display, your sound, your apps, your storage, which is only 8 GB you get, and only 5 of that is usable for you guys, so 4.8 exactly. So you only get a bit of storage, which is sad thing. You can always use SD cards or use USB, which I've done here. So yeah, if you want to use USB you can, otherwise you're stuck with the 4.8 GHz, 4.8 GB of storage, which is pretty decent. So you got more stuff here, decent stuff, not really that much to look at. Let's go about, see what we got here. So it's running on Android 0.6, it's not Android 7 or anything, but when you do order this box online, it does say it's running Android version 5.1, but when you get it, you do an update and it goes to Android 0.6, which is very nice. So that's very decent, even though the security patch is pretty old. You might, if that's a problem for you, then yeah, otherwise like me, just don't worry, you can still do updates if any updates comes. Let's go back, a few more there. So yeah guys, it's just a very simple review. This box is mainly just for streaming, watching videos. For gaming, I would not recommend this to anyone. It is not powerful enough. I've tried games and they lack. They are pretty slow. I'm getting a lot of problems, and with 4K I'm not sure if it's me or if it's my box, but if you guys do know anything, do let me know in the description downstairs or leave a comment, guys. But yeah, guys, for watching videos, streaming contents, playing media off your SD card, should be no problems. It can handle it. You saw KODI is fine. And if you're just looking to get something to run KODI only, then this box should be fine. £30 is a great buy, guys, and if you use the coupon down in the description, you get 20% off. So that is like what, £6? No, £4? £6 off. So that's pretty decent, guys. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was my quick review of the MXQ Pro 4K, well, HD. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this, guys. Take care.